Hello friends, welcome to Mithara Kitchen. Today we will see how to make masala papad, which is everyone's favorite street food snack, made with fresh vegetables without oil or deep frying. Papad is made of dal and are very good source of protein and fiber. They are free from gluten. The added spices have more health benefits. I have not fried the papad. Instead, I have baked them on stove, which is free of oil. This makes the masala papad chaat a very healthy snack. They are a perfect snack that you can prepare and enjoy in a few minutes. You will certainly relish the combination of various vegetables and spices. They are crunchy, delicious, light and appetizing. Always serve this snack immediately on preparation because the papad will become soggy after a few minutes. Masala papad cone is a simple, quick and healthy snack recipe. Most of the Indian homes have one or more types of papad at home. So this is a very simple, interesting starter or evening snack. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.